So today I'm actually gonna be going to my first slush car meet. There's usually always some crazy cars. What we're gonna do first is I think we're gonna go clean. Probably gonna go clean my car first before we go there. Hopefully we see some GTI. Oh, ready, nigga? You ready, nigga?
Yeah, we ready?
Yes, sir, man. We ready, man? Hey, man, you mind if we go clean my car real quick?
Yeah, I do mind. Telling me is that like the place is actually really good.
Yeah, it's literally in the Red Robin area.
Yeah.
Dude, it's fucking packed here. Oh my god.
Watching the car, Jordan Love.
Imagine I fucking left my car on my watch.
Man, you still do that.
My rims are so dirty.
Oh my god. Look at that.
You know that Diablo thing? The thing I used to clean my car with, or like to clean the rims with?
Oh.
I never use it for that much.
Oh, shit.
You digging in me, you digging in me, you digging in me. Say it again, bro, I wasn't recording.
Bro, we'll put some Daniel later.
Alright, bro. Bro, I bent the shit out my life. Dude, debadged, that actually looks really good, bro. Bro, I mastered it, bro. I could just ship that like 3,000. Bro. Nah, I forgot where to turn. I'm not gonna lie to you. What's up, man? What's up, man? I like it, man. The Skyline ones are cool.
Yeah?
It's nice. GTI.
Bro.
You can't be serious.
Bro, you're in there.
I caught that! I caught that! Same GTI already. Damn, GTI next to GTI is kind of crazy. Damn, look at all these Porsches though, dude. This is nice. Infinity. Damn, another Porsche! Hey, this is a nice color, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Damn. Oh, yeah, that is kind of crazy. Oh shit! That shit gapping us for sure. God damn, this man got a big ass tire. Holy shit! It's crazy. God damn.
The air, the wind.
This is nice. This is really nice. Fuck. Hey, I think you gapping your fit, bro. You gapping. Man, that's another Porsche over there, bro. All the bikes pulling up. Silver, that's a nice ass color on that Shelby. Damn, that's a really nice Shelby, dude. Oh my god. Damn. Be able to. Damn, we're gonna be able to hear all the drive-bys and shit. The Mazda is. That's the big turbo one. Jeez. All the Supers here, bro. That shit badass. Huh? Oh, yeah, these guys are growing on me too, bro. My GTI. Hold on, man. You know I gotta take a picture. Huh? That's wicked, bro. Damn. Damn. What's up, man?
How you doing, bro?
Good. Hell yeah. Dude. This is kind of a crazy color, I'm not gonna lie. What, this color?
Yeah.
How much?
Bro, this shit is expensive.
Fuck.
People be doing it like on their wheels and shit, bro. That shit is crazy.
Oh, damn. Oh shit, he races this shit for sure. Wait, oh, this is the RX? Shit, dude, that's crazy. Damn. I really want to get something like this. Y'all think you'll still be able to fit back there?
Bro. Just lie down, bro.
Lay down, yeah.
One person.
Oh no. I want to get one, but I don't know how comfortable y'all would be, bro. This is wicked. Oh my god. Damn! Nah, are you serious? These are ours, dude. Damn! Fuck. I can put my whole hand in there, bro. More of the gang, more. Oh, there's a golf cart. This Porsche is nice. Damn, this is nice. I might have to get a roll cage. Bro. This shit looks like a demon.
Oh, you look at the inside.
Let me see. Fuck. God damn, this shit is a fucking demon. Oh my god. Dude. I told you, bro. Alex, how you? God! Oh my god! You didn't say nothing. You just looking at me.
Trying to get you.
Bro, I'm like, what are you looking at?
What am I gonna do, yo? I ain't gonna.
Oh my god! This is a crazy setup of cars, dude. It's an STO. Oh yeah, he got lightweight rims, race tires. What?
He's like, it's stock. I said, nah.
Damn, look at his lights. This is nice.
Thanks, bro.
Hell yeah, man. That's just bright. That's just eye-catching. Oh, what's that shit is eye-catching, dude. Hey, $100, this truck is fast as fuck, bro. Hey, man, these trucks, I don't mess with them. I don't know. You see that tire setup? Man, tweaking. Damn, they got all the Evos here. Dude, what if I wrap my car this? Or like the color?
This color's nice.
This color? It's like a brown. mk8. Dude, mk8s are growing on me heavy now, dude. Before I used to hate them like badly. I used to hate the back of them, but
The back?
yeah, but now they're really starting to look like, yeah, dude, they're really starting to look good. You know how like people hated the newer Subarus?
Yeah.
That's kind of like that.
Yeah.
Hey, Alex, look at that Ferrari. More than you can afford, pal.
Facts, bro. This is a TR4.
What was that? Dude, that Ferrari is sick, dude. Someone got busted?
Somebody got busted. You hear the siren?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Someone got busted. Damn. Oh, it's a TT. I heard the bass in that one. God damn. It popped. Damn. Is that him? Damn. Come on, man. Represent us, man.
Yes, you.
Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. This Mustang finna get someone killed. Oh shit, McLaren. That shit sounds loud. You already know that shit's loud. Damn. son. Carmi, Pops.
Oh my god! Yo!
Damn!
Yeah.